Good morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo, and we are going to start with our warm up. We will be doing the short and the long vowel sounds, so make sure you listen closely and repeat after me. A apple, a safe, a. E ed, e p e. I itch, I pine, I. O octopus, o home, o. You up, you mule, you rule, ooh. Fantastic. And now let's look at our standard cards for our warm up. We'll practice some vowels, some glued sounds, and some digraphs. Here we go. A apple, a safe, a. And you might be saying, we just did that. We need to do it until it's ingrained in our memories. E ed, e p e. I itch, I pine, I. O octopus, o home, o. You up, you mule, you rule, oo. C, h, ang, ang. Ank, ink. Ing, ing. Ink, ink. Sh, sh. Th, or the noisy sound, v. Ck, and we're back to our beginning. Fantastic. The last part of our warm up today will be some trick words. Here we go. Try to say it before I do. You, your, I, they, was, one, said, say, says, see, between, each. All right. How did you do? Did you beat me, at least on some of them? Good for you. Okay, so speaking of trick words, we are going to learn two new trick words today. Let me bring you on over to the trick word learning area. Okay, so of course we have our sentence frame and we have our frames like this for each word. So listen to me say this sentence and repeat after me. None of the kids are here yet. Let's count out those words. None of the kids are here yet. We need 6 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what kind of punctuation would we put at the end of this? A period will work, like a stop sign. And we have our uppercase letter at the start. So I will start with a capital N. None of, we know that's a trick word. None of the, that's another trick word. Kids. Well, the base word would be kid. K-id. Now make it say kids. None of the kids are. That's a trick word. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a second. Let's count it again. None of the kids are here yet. I made a mistake. It's 7 words. Do you ever make mistakes? We always have to check our work. Let's put that word yet. Y. Starts with a Y. None of the kids are here yet. I'm going to circle this word right here and see if you can tell me what it says. None of the kids are here yet. What's our new trick word? Very good. It says none. Let's talk about that word none. I'm going to add it up here to our new trick word spot. It starts with the N sound. That's not tricky. Then it sounds like but it's not a U, it's an O. So that's not tricky. But then there's an E on the end. It looks like it should say known, but it says none. So the tricky parts are that it's a vowel consonant E. Those are the tricky parts. Okay, let's change the sentence up now. We'll erase away our old sentence and see what we can learn next. What does this word say? None. Okay, here's our new sentence. Repeat after me. There is nothing in this box. Let's count carefully this time. There is nothing in this box. Now we have 6. So we had 7. If we need 6, I'll take away 1. Okay, let me start with an uppercase P for the word there. Is nothing in this noisy TH box, period. Okay, this time I'm going to circle. This is our other trick word. See if you can figure out what the circled word is. There is nothing in this box. What word is this? Nothing. Okay, let's look at it closely. The N sound isn't tricky. It sounds like it should be a U, just like none. It's an O though. It's got the word no in it. And then it's got the word thing. Ing. Look, a digraph and a glued sound. Those aren't tricky. So the only tricky part is this O right here. It sounds like a U. So those are similar words. That's why we're learning them together. Okay, let's practice writing these tricky words. Can everybody stand up? Get out your writing arms. We're going to skywrite. So 2 fingers. And let's start with this word, none. Here we go. N-O-N-E. None. Remember, really picture it in your head. Now take this finger, close your eyes and picture it as you write it with your finger on your desktop. N-O-N-E. None. Okay, let's practice. Nothing. Here we go. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing. It's like no thing, but we pronounce it nothing. Close those eyes and write it on our desktop. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, you know what's next. We always enter our trick words into our student notebooks. You might have a green student notebook, you might have a pink one, it doesn't matter. Either way, you find where your trick words are. If you have a green book, it looks a little different, but you can still add them. What letter do we need to find? N. And you'll add both of them on the N page. None and nothing. Go ahead and enter those now. Pause your screen until you get those entered. Okay, if you're back, then can you read for me? What does this word say? None. And what does this say? Nothing. Tricky tricks. And you need to go grab your dry erase board, please. We are going to practice some words. Okay, so you have your dry erase board, and I would like to do a couple warm-ups with sounds. So let's number it 1, 2, 3. We'll do 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. Just like this. Okay. Repeat after me. I. Write all the sounds for I. Okay. Number 2. Repeat after me. Ooh. Write all the sounds for ooh. Remember, like rule. Ooh, rule. And number 3, eh. Write the sound for eh. Okay, check your sounds to my sounds. Long I would be I-E, like vowel consonant E. Ooh, like in rule would be long U, U-E. And then we said eh, the short E. If you need to fix up any of those sounds, please do that now. Okay, let's erase those. And you can keep the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do some words now. Number 1, repeat after me. Maze. She went through the corn maze. Let's tap out maze. M-A-Z. Spell it out loud. Picture it in your head. M-A-Z. And then what do you need to add? We don't tap it, but what makes the A say A? The E. Go ahead and write maze. And when you need to check it to mind, please do so. And now let's mark the syllable type. Okay, scoop that syllable, and it's vowel, consonant, E. Mark it just like me. And then we cross off the E because it's silent, and we put the macron over the A because it's a long A. Maze. Okay, repeat after me for number 2. Quake. Did you see the earth quake? Do the word quake. Let's tap it out. Qu-a-k. Go ahead, spell it and then write it. Qu-a-k. And please mark the syllable type. Check it to mind if you get stuck. We had a buddy letter, and then we have vowel consonant E, cross off the E, and it's a long A. Okay, let's practice one more word. Repeat after me. Flute. She plays the flute. Let's tap it out. Ooh, ooh. Spell it out loud and then write it. Ooh, ooh. Okay, you should have a blend, and you should be able to have vowel consonant E. Pause if you need more time, or check with me if you're stuck. Let's read all the words. Maze, quake, flute. Great job. Once you have these all done correctly and you read them, we can erase. And I'm going to give you 3 trick words. I'm going to say them all, and then you can check. Trick word number 1, friend. Pause and write friend. Trick word number 2, none. Pause and write none. Trick word number 3, nothing. Pause and write nothing. Okay, check those in your notebook if you're not sure, and then you can check with mine. Fix them up and read them with me. Friend, none, nothing. Great job. Okay, let's erase everything, even the numbers, and we will end with one sentence. Repeat after me. We like nothing here. Let's count the words. We like nothing here. We have 4 words. Remember to start with an uppercase, and let me show you our trick words. We, like you can tap out. Nothing is a new trick word. And here's a trick word. This is a very tricky sentence. Pause and get it done. Okay, if you're back, it means you're done. Check that you have all the words. We like nothing here. Make sure you started with an uppercase and ended with a period. Fix that up if you need to. Check your trick words. Look them up in your notebook if you're not sure. And then you can check with me. And then the one word we can tap out is like. L-I-K. It's a vowel consonant E. Let's read our sentence. We like nothing here. Read it until it's smooth, and then you can erase your board and you're done. Great job.